Lesson number 10, The Brave Boy. Today in this chapter we will do revision of all the exercises. First exercise is think and answer. Question number 1. What helped Yuki to identify the tsunami? Answer is Yuki's grandfather had once told him that just before a terrible tsunami, the sea suddenly and quickly rolls backward away from the shores. This helped Yuki to identify the tsunami. Next question is, what did Yuki do to get the people away from the shore? Answer is, to get the people away from the shore, Yuki set fire to the sun-dried rice stacks. On seeing fire, the people ran up to the mountain to save their rice crops. Third is, if Yuki had been wrong about the tsunami, what would have happened? Answer is, if Yuki had been wrong about the tsunami, he could not be able to save 400 lives of his village. Next question is, justify the reason of Yuki's burning the field. Answer is, yes, Yuki had done a courageous and admirable job to save the lives of the people. If he had not done so, nobody of his village would be saved. After this, our next exercise is MCQs. First one is, the shores of Japan have been swept by enormous dash. There are three options: A. Tsunamis, B. Hurricane, C. Earthquake. Correct answer is tsunami. The shores of Japan have been swept by enormous tsunamis. Second one is, Yuki's dash had taught him a great deal about the ways of the world. There are three options: A. Grandmother, B. Father, C. Grandfather. Grandfather is correct. So put a tick mark here and write grandfather here. Yuki's grandfather had taught him a great deal about the ways of the world. Third one is, the sea was running dash from the shore. A. Far, B. Away, C. Nearby. Correct answer is away. Put a tick mark on away and write away in the blanks. Fourth one is, Yuki set fire to the dash field. A. Wheat, B. Sugarcane, C. Rice. Correct answer is rice. So put a tick mark here and write rice here. Yuki set fire to the rice field. Fifth one is, Yuki had saved over dash 100 lives. A. 4, B. 5, C. 3. Correct answer is 4. Put a tick mark here and write 4 in the blanks. Yuki had saved over 400 lives. After this, match the following. Here I have done matching. First one is, Yuki felt vibratory motion under his feet. So it will match with vibratory motion. Second one is, terrible, danger. It will match with danger. Third, cheered with admiration. So it will match with admiration. Fourth is sun-dried stacks. So it will match with sun-dried stacks. Fifth one is storm of water. Storm of water is tsunami. So write tsunami in front of storm of water. After this, our next exercise is jumble letters. STNUAMI. By jumbling this word, it will be tsunami. TSUNAMI. Second is AGEKWREC. The correct word of it is wreckage. WRECKAGE. Third is RISDEB. Correct answer is debris. DEBRIS. Fourth is TIONVASTADE. Correct answer is devastation. So the spelling of devastation is DEVASTATION. Fifth one is TTACASCERED. Correct word will be scattered. SCATTERED. So students, these are the exercises which we have revised today. So learn it for your test. And after this, in our next video, we will continue with our next chapter, revision of our next chapter. Thank you.